chairman of Jamaat Salwat Committee, Suba Sindh, Fakir Muhammad Salim Sial, Awesi Qadri. We are recite reading Duru Sharif throughout in the province of Sindh without any discrimination of firqa. Either it is the house of Ahl Sunnat and Ahl Tashi, and the every Muslim home to home recite reading Salawat Sharif. I have to present billions, trillions Duru Sharif in the Barga Risalat Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. In whole life, I belong to Sufism. I saw Hazrat Muhammad Mustafa Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam in the dream. May Allah protect my beloved soil, Pakistan and Pak Army.